Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Arian May Esmosindi, BSCS student in SNSU City Campus. Now we're going to make a tutorial in Windows System Security. Now, understanding this Windows System Security, basically Windows system needs security in a bunch of different areas, no? So imagine you protecting your house, so hindi mo na-lock sa imong portahan, or di kaya kanang alarm system, or di kaya security cameras, no? So same as Windows system security. Now we have here six items here: account and password management, access control, system security, service security, monitoring, other security, and other security management. So now here, first step, account and password management. So deleting guest accounts and unnecessary accounts. We must press Windows plus since dili ko ka command key kay nagbaro lang ako sa ako friend ng laptop kay kanina laptop ah this is Windows 11 Home, not Pro. So, dili siya ma-function ang mga command key ni Jao. So, wala na set pa. So, now, we must click this account and search the other users here. So, nakita na to other users here, which is my account here na-add na ako earlier. And now, we must delete this. Click this arrowhead and remove, delete account. And ano, that's it. Okay. Now, direta sa setting account lockout. So, the account lockout policy should be checked and set. Okay. Ari kita sa search. Unya, there is a command prompt. And right click na to ini and run as administrator. Yes. Since kay kanina labi is Windows 11 o dili siya Pro, so ang command key niya dili ma-function kay wa pa nila kaset pa ini. So type kita na net user. So dire makita nato ang user account for ini. And type ta dire na net yes net yes net user yes brother. No, what they say yes. So command completed successfully. So set tanan lockout na. So type na to na net account. So, set to 5. na complete successfully na. Then another lockout duration. Makakita ng 60. Successfully and last Windows. So 60 kapon. Windows. Three nagset tag logout threshold 5. So diri makita nimo sa lockout threshold 5 na siya ilak ni siya after 5 failed logins. Yeah, diri sa lockout duration 60. So ilak ang account remain lock for 60 minutes. Yeah, diri sa lock window 60 uh, failed login counter resets after 60 minutes. Naari na kita sa access control. Here, checking unnecessary shared folders and stopping sharing. Since malware and viruses may spread through unnecessary shared folders, unnecessary shared folders should be removed. No? So, dapat press kita na Windows plus R or pop up command. Kanya type kita ng fsmgft.msc, no? So, type ako earlier, so punto na siya. So, okay. Then, click this share. And here, kita na to ang share name sa folders. So, na isa direct unnecessary folder, no? So, ato siya ni i-remove. Ito, di mo siya ma-process dire, since kailangan na ito na di function ang command key, no? Kapag nakaset. So, pare kita sa na alternate ways whether way na dito sa folder and kato na folder na yan na game mode na dire nakalocate sa desktop, no? So, here nakita nato the folder na yan and right click and properties, click this properties and then click in sharing and advanced sharing. Okay. So click ini check the share this folder para ma-disable. Okay, apply and then okay. And post in system security. So need na to i-off automatic administrator log on in Windows. No, so press na to Windows plus R para mapap-up ining and type 3 re-edit. So na-auto na siya kaya na-type na earlier and press this okay. Dire makita na to ang HK local machine. So press na ko break the dire sa software yeah, then ari na yun sa Microsoft until gihanap na ko ang Windows NT. So sa Windows NT breakdown siya 3 condition. Hanapon na to ang window log on. So, are, kita na na to. And then, hanapan na to diri sa doon when log on. dapat natang auto log on is so diri ato i-modify and then so here naka-type naman ang zero earlier. So resultaan kaning auto log on sa ID si zero. Zero dyan po lang natin dyan. Here in checking startup programs, now we using again shortcut key Windows plus R and here back on run. So type nimo dire ms ms config. So na-auto na siya kaya na-type ko na earlier. Okay. Then mo pop-up system configuration, then laban nimo startup, then open task manager. Now as you can see here, hamok apps na naka autorun and here the status kita naman disable and enable. So muna yung mga apps na open mo muna sa garap na magamit. So mag disable tanan app dire ano gamit gamito na to ini Copilot. As here, checking the terminals. Remote desktop service is a tool used to manage remote servers. So, again, we must aso din na kita mag-use ng shortcut keys, search ta dire. So, here, nakita natin remote desktop connection. So, hanap na siya. So, na-auto pop-up na dire sa reset. Reset, sa reset. And show option para makita niyo. And here, in remote desktop connection, makita naman din computer type naman din computer name niya or your username and then so purpose ani siya kaning remote desktop connection nakaka sa hain na PC or nasa trabahoan or sa laptop or na server. So, imong laptop nabili balay ninyo or biskan hain niya gusto nimo gamito. So, ganito na laptop nato dito mga files ma-access din o naka-connect ka diri o nakalagay din computer diri imong user. So, careful tani kay careful tani remote this remote stop service kay kini si risky kaayo if ever man ma-access sa lain kay makuha ka jud na imong mga files ka jud mga files mga install files install pa siya na install ransomware mas may pag jud activity labi na ma-take control the whole system ang maka-access. Dapat gyud na so dapat keeping remote desktop disabled is the safest choice for Windows 11. So that's it. And that's all.